What is it? What is it?
Ow!
Bug attack. Should we get off the roadside and find a place to put some first aid?
Flew in under my glass lens and it was stuck and it kept biting my cheek and it's really sore.
It's definitely bit you like right there.
Yeah.
See the blood. Some catastrophe.
Yeah, another one today for me. The screw in my prescription sunglasses has fallen out, so we need to go to Specsavers so I can get a new screw.
It fell in the cobblestones.
Yay for cobbles.
Can't you find it?
Nah.
We're leaving Arnhem. It was nice. Did some things. Now we're on the road out of town. Mel got stung in the eye by a hornet that flew into her glasses and got stuck when she was riding along.
Right here. Douche, douche, douche.
Certainly leaving the city of Arnhem behind us, as you can tell by the pylons and other stuff that you usually see at the edge of cities. And our next city today is Nijmegen. Stopped here for some supplies. We stayed at a campsite last night. It was pretty nice and we needed a break. I had 3 ticks stuck to me from the forest, so I had 2 on my legs and 1 on another soft part of my body that was quite unpleasant. I think now that we're in this part of the Netherlands there's a lot more ticks and we might be staying at a few more campsites just going forward.
€10.05 for all these goodies. I got chicken, cheese, nuts, stroopies, beer, pudding, tomatoes. €10. It's good.
It's a public holiday here in the Netherlands. It's very busy. Good vibe today, everyone's really friendly. I think they're excited to have a nice day off in the sun. Was chatting to a guy on the ride in here who he must have recognized us as New Zealanders and he wanted to chat to us about some of our sporting prowess, in particular the rowing. So that was cool. And then we just went through the city, which was extremely crowded. And then we're just checking out these cool city walls structures that are up here. Your eye's a lot better.
Yeah, it's going down. Really good news.
Because, yeah, good luck trying to find a doctor in the Netherlands on a public holiday.
Yeah, it would not have been pretty, man. I'm lucky I didn't have a worse reaction.
Leaving Nijmegen, a lovely town, extremely busy. crossing over this ginormous canal lock.
So, but we could do 72, 73 and then like duck in. And then go to the end and come down this way.
Yeah.
We've reached Brabant and North Brabant. It's below Gelderland, another region of Netherlands. Let's go!
We just stopped here at this church along the way, and now we're climbing into the tower. It's getting a lot tighter.
Let's keep going up. It's just incredible.
Tired. It'll be nice to have a rest, find a campsite. So the ferry at Veerlingsbeek is the next marker for the Ronde van Nederland. Crosses from the Netherlands, where we are now, across there to Germany on the other side. Marker number 4, Ronde van Nederland, the ferry.
From Veerlingsbeek to Bergen.
We made it, but we're not going to Germany. We're going back into the Netherlands.
€1 ripe mango for our lunch. We're heading towards Eindhoven, but we're both pretty tired. We haven't had many rest days for the last week, so we are going to stop at a campsite a little bit before we reach Eindhoven.
Enjoying this wonderful campfire here at this campsite, and a rest day here. We needed it. Tomorrow we're heading towards Eindhoven. Check out another one of Holland's beautiful cities. It's going to be really cold tonight. There's a low of 5 degrees. We're going to do what we can to stay warm. But for now, I think we're just going to chill here, have a nice quiet evening, and we'll pick up the story from the road. If you like this video, go ahead and comment below, and I'll see you in the next episode.